What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. It's your boy Matwire here with some very sad news. Obviously if you guys clicked on this video, you saw the thumbnail. Yes, I am getting rid of the BMW 428i. A very sentimental car to me. You know, it's my first car that I purchased with my own money. Worked hard for it. I've been grinding on YouTube. I started my YouTube channel off the 428i. So the fact that I'm getting rid of it is it's a little emotional for me. You know, it's very sad. The fact that, you know, I'll probably never see it again because I am trading it in to the dealership. I didn't want to have to, you know, worry about selling it privately. It's just a lot quicker selling it directly to the dealership. And I made sure that they gave me a good price for my trade-in value. I know what my car's worth and I know the amount of time, money, effort that I put into it, so I wanted to make sure that they understood that and that they gave me a fair trade-in value. I'm sorry if any of you guys wanted my car. It's not for sale. It's already sold to the dealership. But once again, I don't want you guys to feel abandoned, all you 428i owners out there. Obviously, I started off as a 428i guy, and I'll always be a 428i guy. So if you guys ever have any questions about the 428 chassis, no matter what vehicle I have on the channel at the time, feel free to ask. I'm always here. I would say the work that I did on my 428i, I'm proud of. I'm pretty much done modding it out. There was only a few things that I didn't get to do to it, such as some coilovers, and I wanted to switch out the carbon fibers, or I wanted to switch to a carbon fiber spoiler on the rear, as well as a few little aesthetic things like some side skirts. But other than that, as far as performance, there was really not much more that I could do to the vehicle to make it faster besides going like with a big turbo or something like that. And I just didn't think it was worth, you know, putting a big turbo into a 428i, because you get a 428i for what it is. You don't want to get a 428i to be the fastest on the street. You get a 428i to have a nice, reliable car that's also quick when you need it to be. And this car definitely served that purpose for me. And so I really enjoyed having a 428i. I just think it's time for something a little newer, maybe something a little faster. You guys can try and go ahead and guess what you think I'm going to be getting in the comments below. But once again, 428i owners, I'm still a 428i guy at heart. So feel free to reach out to me at any time. I always got you guys, just like you guys have always had me. But with that being said, I will be taking off all of the aftermarket parts that I did on the vehicle. For example, I'll be taking off my VRSF downpipe, VRSF Chargepipe, as well as my Injen Cold air intake. So those items will be for sale. If any of you guys would like those items, they're gonna be heavily discounted because, you know, you guys are my subscribers, you support me, so I wanna help you guys out as well. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get cracking on taking off all of these aftermarket parts. So I'll go ahead and show you guys a little video of what the vehicle looks like now, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like with all the mods taken off. Alright guys, it's the next morning. I'm here. It took forever last night to take off all those performance parts. Shout out to my brother Malik. He actually came over last night and spent a good 3 to 4 hours helping me flip this car back to stock. But we did it. Like I said, the performance parts will be going on sale if any of you guys want them for a discounted price. I have an Injen Cold air intake, a VRSF downpipe, as well as a VRSF Chargepipe. Once again, it's bittersweet. You know, I'm excited for this new vehicle, the new build, new content. But with that being said, it is the morning that I will be going to pick up the new vehicle. So I'm finishing up the video this morning because I actually had to wake up and just finish up taking off a few aesthetic mods, such as the front grills. I had to, you know, detune the car, just little stuff like that that didn't take a lot of time. But now the car is pretty much as stock as I'm gonna get it. You know, I still have the spoiler on there, the exhaust, the rear diffuser. Only reason why I didn't take off the exhaust is because I got it welded. After I moved, I'm pretty sure I got rid of my stock exhaust. I don't even think I have it anymore. I'll be revealing the new vehicle in the next video, so keep a lookout for that. But with that being said, I need to go get ready, so that wraps up today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. You're not going to want to miss the next video of the new vehicle reveal. And just like that, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.